A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my Comme Des Garcon trainers that I managed to get my hands on. Hopefully I am not butchering the pronunciation, but I'm so excited. They came back in stock on the Selfridges website, so I snapped some up. I have two pairs, although I've already decided which pair I'm keeping, but I thought I would show both pairs with you so I can do a little quick comparison. Then I'm going to be styling these up 5 ways, and it'll be the Comme Des Garcon Converse high tops in the black. I'll be styling these ones up. I'm going to keep these, but I also ordered these ones because I was not sure and I just wanted to double check while they were available online. Both pairs were £130. Seems a little bit strange seeing as though you're getting a little bit more for your money with the high tops here because we've got that little bit extra material. So I'm going to give you a quick run through of both of the styles, and then we're going to get into the styling video of 5 ways that I will be styling them. These are more summer looks because by the time we come out of quarantine, fingers crossed for some nice weather, and it's going to be more summertime. So if you want to skip straight to the styling video, I will leave the time on the screen, but let's just get into a little bit more information about these bad boys. I ordered this pair first because I wanted a pair of ankle grazing trainers because I have 3 pairs of Converse high tops. Loved them, thought I would switch things up. But the one big turn off for me about these when they arrived, and why I then ordered the high tops separately, so 2 separate orders, was that this actually rubbed the back of my heel. So I just tried them on, and instantly trying them on I thought, that's uncomfortable, that is going to rub, that is going to give me blisters, and I don't really like my socks being on show, so I thought, not really sure about that one, which is why I then instantly went for the high tops. As soon as these came, I thought, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I should have just gone for high tops because I love high tops, and for me they're a lot more comfortable on the back of the foot. So both of the styles have this beautiful heart design, as we can see here at the front, but the high tops, the only difference with the design is that you also get the Converse All-Star logo on the inner side of the shoe. Now what I loved about these compared to the normal Converse as well is that we have a lot thicker kind of a bottom sole to the shoe, and inside there is actually more padding. So the bottom bit here has got a little bit of squidge to it. So I know some people complain that Converse hurt their feet because there isn't much support. Well, these babies are so soft, it's like walking on a mattress. So I'm so obsessed with these already. I kind of want to buy the khaki ones that they also do. Maybe I'll get the white, but I've already got white ones. And I've already got black ones, but I got these anyway. So I'm loving these for spring, summer, refreshing my wardrobe. I have done a side-by-side comparison of the two, so I'll leave it on the screen there so you can kind of see how they both look on. I feel like the ankle grazing pair make your feet look slightly bigger, but they make your legs look slightly slimmer, whereas the high tops, for some reason, seem to make your legs look slightly longer, even though obviously they're cutting you off higher up at the ankle. So that is just a little quick comparison of the two in case you were stuck between what style to go for. But I would say just go for the type of shoes that you normally wear that you feel comfortable in. If you're not a high top person, then you will love these, although you might find they may rub on your ankle, so maybe get some plasters to go with them. And if you're not really a low top kind of gal or guy, then go for the high tops. One thing I will say about the sizing is they are quite large in sizing. So for reference, I am a UK size 8, pretty big, but I am a larger size of a size 8. If you watch my videos, you'll know that in Topshop and Zara, I am a size 9 in shoes, a beastie size 9. So I've got big size 8 feet, whereas these size 8s, I have got about a thumb's worth of room in the end of them. So ideally, I would have a size 7.5, as I do in my all white leather Converse, but you can't get a half size in every size of these trainers. I found that pretty weird. When I checked on the website, there's some half sizes, but they don't do a 7.5. It's just a 7 or an 8, and I know the 7 would be too small. So I've got a size 8, but that's just a little bit of sizing reference for you. If you're in between sizes, size down definitely in these bad boys. But let's get on to the exciting part, which is going to be the styling part of this video. I will leave in the description box links to everywhere I can find these available online, UK and US links, because I know they sell like hotcakes as soon as they come up. So I will do that down below, and I will also list everything that you're about to see in these styling clips that I have filmed. So please enjoy watching my 5 ways to style the Comme Des Garcon Converse trainers for spring and summer.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds.
Let me know in the comments below your favourite of those 5 looks. As I said, I tried to tailor them for summer because I'm hoping when we come out of this quarantine, we're going to have some lush weather, so you can get your legs out and you can show off your new Comme Des Garcon Converse, any high top trainers that you have. Hopefully I'll give you a little bit of inspo. If you want some more outfit, everyday inspiration, you can follow me over on Instagram at Charlotte Buttrick. I post daily outfits. I also do my stories every day, so you can keep up to date with what I am up to. I also ask you guys what you want to see from me filming wise. But if you do want to see my full trainer collection, click subscribe, like this video, let me know in the comments, and I can get that rolling for you. And I'll leave my handbag collection on the screen with another video of mine if you're new to my channel or you just want to stick around and watch more. So thank you for watching. I hope you're doing really well at the moment, and I will see you guys for my next fashion video, which is going to be on Thursday. So I'll see you then. Bye guys.